With fire came warmth and hope. But humans wanted more, a place to belong.
They learned to build, to create homes with their own hands. Soon, they discovered the power of the earth, seeds that could feed them.
It was the birth of farming and the first signs of a settled life. From scattered hunters, they became builders of small villages. Together, they shared food, warmth, and dreams. Humanity was no longer alone.
Fire still burned, not just in their homes, but in their hearts.
This was the beginning of villages, the first steps towards civilization.